Welcome to my channel. This is Bible with Travel Barber. So today I'm going to do a baking. I'm going to bake a TOTO. I'm going to bake a TOTO with banana and all the recipe them, So but I'm going to do it in our stove, our outdoor stove. So I want to just tune in, like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. Understand? And just go and keep watch and support. So tune in. This is how we do it on a Friday night. So I catch a fire upon this side or so. Fire burn up the waterman shirt. Chips. Yeah. full up the torch and dust. So I make some coal. Coal to put in here. So. Yeah, man. So I make some coal and now put in the oven. When we're done, we'll do the mixture and put in the oven. So some coal and we'll get burn out and put it here. So let's go and show you. Go and show you. I'll bake it. Bake it. Miss Baker, Mr. Baker, Mr. Baker, Mr. Baker. I know shaker. Mr. Baker, at the baker man. At the baker man. And I baker man. Coal me on it. Now my coal skill. Homemade coal skill. Homemade coal skill. No stush business. No stushy. No Mr. Stush. I'm in the bush. So look cool. Country style. Look. So we have pocket coal skin. Pop my pocket coal skin here. Yeah, pop your pocket coal skill. Yeah, man, like a coal skill, so I come coal me and make right now. Right now. That burn out. Yeah. When you see burn out right now, put in a oven. You go and heat up in there. I'm gonna do the mixture. I make a nice little TOTO in the evening, so I feel peaceful and nice. Yeah. Yeah, man. Good vibe, good energy, you know. Welcome to my channel. No joke. No joke. Yeah. So. Yeah. Yes. Smoke up a place and kill the mosquito them too. Drink some juice. No alcohol. Healthy life you do with no alcohol. Smoke weed, but no bag of alcohol. Oh. Yeah, man. Subscribe to your channel, you know. Travel Barber. You know, it's all about haircut and food and travel around and all kind of things, see me? So, tune in. Bad TOTO, you're going to be making an idea. Bad TOTO. Yeah. You don't know what's this. Yeah. I'm all angles, you know. We are like good old breadfruit tree, but not breadfruit now. For now. Yeah, all angles. Yeah. Yeah, man. Outdoor stove, this you know. This all of the jerk. If you never see my last video, let me post. I do the roast chicken. You can check out all of my content them. We have a roast chicken and I'm roasting on this, and that was a nice video when me upload, so you can check out it. Outdoor cooking on my channel. Good vibes, you know. So I'm gonna make this go and burn you now. turn out cool and I go in at the house go do the mixture. Yeah, so tune in. Alright, so there now. So these are the ingredients them. So we have some golden seal flour. You can see golden seal. So I use about half of this, probably or more. We have some nutmeg powder. We have nutmeg in there. We have some banana. Some sugar. We have some vanilla. Very important to have the vanilla, you know. And I put just a little molasses. I put a little molasses in it. So you know you have that little slushiness there in here. And let me see. What is alright, yeah. And you have the coconut chash right or so. Yeah, coconut chash. So I get them all together, you know. I get all of them together. Yeah, so we'll get them all together. Get them here together. So a nice little TOTO I'm gonna bake with banana, you know. But I did my bake one like banana and plan. Never taste too bad, but I feel like it needs some more. You know, so now I feel like we get like maybe the full ingredients. So let's see how that one have a turn out. Let's see how that one have a turn out. I have a cinnamon powder, you know. I'm gonna put some clove in it. Yeah. Alright, so get the flour now. This too much or this right now. If you have a nice blend, you know. So I'm gonna put some vanilla. Some vanilla we'll put in there. So 2 crack of vanilla. 2 crack of vanilla. Some salt. Important. And alright, so put in the coconut chash now. Put it in the fridge. Okay. So this in the fridge, so it's gonna be a little bit hard. Okie dokie. So this is a figure one. I think that you do have to have a witness before to add some level of flavor back to the process. So this is there in the fridge, so kinda alright, that come. I have some big chop of coconut in it, we're gonna take out and now take it out. So let me see how this will go. I just say badness come down. Yeah, man. We have one cinnamon leaf here. So we have mint and but our cinnamon leaf may look fine, no? I have cinnamon leaf too. Yeah, cinnamon leaf. The baddest baker is right now. The baker man. Call me the baker man. Call me the baker man. Alright. So I go mad, man. Mad baker man. Real Jamaican style. Yeah, real Jamaican style, remember? Yeah, man style, nothing wrong with you. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, we can't do every little thing, man. Can bake, we can cook. Check out the content them pan it. You see all for cooking. All for cooking. Cooking in the Dominican Republic. Cooking Asian food. Baking. Juice. Traveling. Yeah, man. Subscribe to the channel. And watch the video them to the end. Like the video, share the video, comment. Tell me something what you want to see me make right now in the next video, so you can get this up. I'm put it like this. So, molasses. So molasses are put in there. Brawling like Charlene, but molasses man. Yeah. So we are oil it, you know. Just throw some oil in the pan. So we are oil the pan, you know. So make sure everything set the proper way. So now see it pour everything right. Pour everything right. The whole reason that sometimes you come to stipulations with the other side is to avoid doing what you did today, where you sort of have someone from C-SPAN, which all our viewers know. So I want to see how this is going to turn out. We don't have to see how it's going to turn out, you know? Toast with banana. Yes. Alright. Alright. See it there. Oh, nice. Smell good. So I'm going to carry it in the fire now. Yeah. Let's go. Alright, so now you're going to put it in. So, yeah. Put it in. Then I'm going to put it in there, so. As you can see, fire burning, you know. TOTO time. Okay, and TOTO time. So tune in. So you can see the live Live camera action. Yeah, man, see it, look there now. Oh, let me take out you. Look a bit out there. Okay, I'll get something for me. Out. Alright. Look full up, it a bloat up. And for TOTO, you know, it a raise. So let's see what I go on with it, you know. Let's see what I go on with it. Feel like the fire too high, you know. Fire too high. Fire too high. See me there some live too, you know. They up on the live. What not join the live with what? Subscribe. Bake ya bake. Bake ya bake. Smoke a come out. You can see fire blazing the same way. Yeah. Go on, you know? Go on. All hashes up on the top, but it go on, you know. It go on. I'm not complain. Give thanks. Yeah, subscribe to your channel. Subscribe to your channel. Alright? You better now? Watch it. Yeah. Yeah, man, so we're out here, you know. Get the thing ready. Ready. Yeah, man, so don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your channel, Travel Barber, you get me? I reach monetization now. Watch the video to the end. So, you can just get in. So, let's tune in. Tune in. That's what's going on. Authentic style. Outdoor. See. Still a wave on the live. TOTO we are bake, you hear that? Make it live, sis. Make it live so I go on. A record. you're gonna see the full video upon this. Start to finish. Yeah, man. Yeah. It's gonna be one long video because I want the watch time how I know. We need the watch hour I know, so we need to watch the video until the end, you know. Watch out the whole content until the end. So watch how I can go up because we need to monetize. We are going straight towards monetization right now. So subscribe and watch and share and comment, like, you know, put it in the algorithm. Outdoor baking, TOTO you bake. The Jamaican authentic TOTO, you know. Die style. Mama style. Mama style of cooking. A mama style of baking this too. This a mama style of cooking. R.I.P. to Doris Johnson. We got my grandmother. Ivy Quiddly. Mama! Bring a knife, come on! A quick cut TOTO. Yeah. Yeah, that's how you do it, man. But I feel like the fire too high still. I feel like the fire too high, so I go beat on the fire heat and yeah, man, so I go see what I go on with me now. Really I take place. See? Feel soft, man. Feel soft and tender. It's like you want more movements need to be done. Alright. So I'll put him back in there. Make it go, you know, fulfill the destiny. Cause you can't see say you need more strength. Yeah. Put the shot the fire there, you know. Them coal are not normal. You don't need no more than them coal right now. See? Yeah, man. Alright. I don't know. I don't know if it's about it. But I don't know. As you can see, got like on bread, like a big and soft cake. In a face it go stick up in the bottom. Feel so. Hey. Alright. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say, but you know, go to you want to cut, brother. See, it look like a pizza. So, as I see that come down, so is either the part not be good or something. But it look alright, check it out. Oh, the banana make you get the every flavor, yeah. It's good. It tastes good, man. What does I say? You're not done. Not easy. I just show you the cool off it, make you not see. If you have on to pudding vibes in it. Yeah, you can taste the banana. You can taste the banana, you know? And see coconut same, yeah? All a coconut. It's good. It's good. Feel like I eat off a whole pan right now. Are we stumpy there? I want stumpy there. Anybody knows stumpy forward here? Trust me. You need to try out this. Check out the ingredients and the recipe. You know. But we need an next slice. I can't wait till it cool. Just have this type of pudding vibes. You have a pudding vibes now. I want a banana pudding this and a TOTO. Wow. See the back part here? Crust. See? Crust. Definitely tasting the banana, nutmeg, cinnamon, the coconut, and the coconut never really juice out. Good. Come on. So what's going on there? The only thing because it's stuck in the back, the tin pan. But trust me, good. Really good, man. I tell you, see all the coconut you have seen there. I never take out the big piece them. Good. I want to say banana pudding. Ah. Wow. Now I taste the clove and the cinnamon. Look, you see coconut. So me have still a big chop up piece of coconut, see me. But me alone I eat one big pot. Don't have to give me a different type of, I think don't have some kind of more burn. Fine. Tastes really good. Sweet. Not gonna have that over sweet vibes there. And all that. She was telling me good at coming right now. Come try it. So you can't make me know. But don't say if I'm going forward. Maybe later. But if I'm a shot with them.